In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide sales on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you are logged into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name with this page. Of course, if you are not logged into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of all those icons. From there, you'll be able to log in into your account if you have one, or if you don't have one, you'll be able to create one. Of course, you'll be able to do both options even with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account. If you don't want to go through all the bonus steps of creating or logging in your account. Of course, once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home or with this main page and with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to hide sales on our shop, maybe on Etsy websites. So of course, if you want to do that, just go and click at the shop icon at the top right corner, which is the shop manager. Just go into that, and then you will find this page for you. Of course, from here, you would like to go here to the left options and click on settings, then go and click add option. Of course, here, all you need to do, just scroll down a bit until you find the section which is sold listing. So as you can see here, we want shoppers to be able to see this, sure, show them, and or no, hide them. If you actually enable or choose this option, no hide them, that will actually hide your sales on your shop. When you finish, just hit the save button and you will be actually good to go after you see the sentence your shop change has been saved. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.